How to check loose bolts on your rotary screw compressor. Is your rotary screw compressor louder than usual? New or excessive noise can sometimes indicate an emerging problem with your compressor. But sometimes the answer is as simple as tightening up some bolts and connectors. Rotary screw compressors create constant vibration during normal operation. Over time, that can cause bolts, mounts, and panels to loosen. First, check the base mounting bolts. These are the bolts securing the compressor to the floor or vibration pad. Loose base bolts can cause the entire unit to shift or vibrate more. Make sure these bolts are tightened. If you're not already using a vibration pad, you might consider adding one to further reduce compressor noise. If your compressor is a belt-driven model, that's the next place to look. Remove the belt guard and inspect the mounting bolts and screws. Tighten any loose fasteners to prevent rattling during operation. Also, check belt tension and pulley alignment while you're there. Now check the motor and air end mounts. These connect the motor and the compressor pump to the frame. Loose mounts can cause misalignment, increased vibration, and mechanical wear. Tighten any mounting bolts or screws that have worked loose. Inspect the external panels and cabinet doors. Loose panels are a common source of rattling noise. Tighten panel screws, hinges, and door latches to eliminate extra vibration. Finally, check any piping and hose connections. Vibrating pipes can amplify compressor noise and cause damage over time. Secure any loose pipes or brackets to keep everything stable. Pro tip: for bolts that tend to loosen repeatedly, use a thread locking compound to keep them secure. Taking a few minutes to tighten loose parts can quiet your rotary screw compressor and help you avoid costly repairs down the line. Things still noisy? Fluid-Aire Dynamics can get to the bottom of excessive noise issues and recommend practical solutions. We care about your air. Call us today.